This Parisian adventure wasn't just for two. Oh no, we brought the whole crew, our two grown children, Liam, the thoughtful older one, always with a book or an insightful comment, and Chloe, the adventurous spirit, ready for anything, with a camera perpetually in hand, capturing moments, creating her own stories. They were our legacy, the beautiful, tangible result of that long-ago Parisian romance, now here with us, full circle. Then there was Liam's wife, Sarah. Sweet, calm, the perfect balance to Liam's intensity. She had a quiet strength and an infectious giggle, which often surfaced at unexpected moments. Chloe's partner, Ben, was the joker, quick with a laugh, eager to try every new food, and every French phrase he'd painstakingly learned. He kept things light, even when travel fatigue set in, a vital role in any family trip, especially one like this. They were all here, for us, to witness our journey, to be part of it. This trip was about our love, but it was also about their love, for us, for each other. It was a beautiful, tangled web of connections, of shared experiences. Each of them brought something unique. Liam, his historical knowledge, making every monument more meaningful. Chloe, her artistic eye, finding beauty in the mundane. Sarah, her calming presence, a soothing balm. Ben, his endless enthusiasm, a reminder to embrace the fun. It was a diverse group, with diverse needs and diverse expectations. This would be an adventure in every sense of the word. I wouldn't have it any other way. Probably. Revisiting old haunts was like walking through a dream. The small cafe where we'd sheltered from the rain, it was still there. The red awning a little faded, the chairs slightly different. But the feeling, that cozy, intimate feeling, it rushed back. We sat at a similar table, ordered coffees, just like before. We walked along the Seine. Of course, it was a requirement. The bateau mouche glided past, tourists waving, just as they always had. We found the exact spot, under the Pont des Arts, where he first told me he loved me. The lovelocks were gone now, removed by the city, but the sentiment remained, etched in the air, in our hearts. We stood there for a long moment, silent, remembering. The river flowed on, unchanged, witness to countless love stories. Discovering new places was equally thrilling. A hidden garden in the Marais. We stumbled upon it by accident, a tiny oasis of green, bees buzzing among lavender. We sat on a bench, sharing a pain au chocolat, feeling like we'd found a secret. Then there was the street art, so much more vibrant, more prevalent than before. Entire walls transformed into canvases, telling new stories. Paris was still evolving. The blend of past and present was intoxicating. One moment lost in a memory, the next captivated by something new. Our children helped bridge the gap, seeing Paris through their eyes, their fresh perspectives, their excitement. It made the city feel new to us too. It wasn't just about reliving the past, it was about embracing the present. Together, as a family, each cobblestone seemed to hold a story. Ours, theirs, Paris's, all intertwined beautifully. The vow renewal. This was the heart of our return, the reason we'd gathered everyone. We found a tiny hidden courtyard near Saint-Germain-des-Prés, through an unassuming archway. It opened into a pocket of serenity. Ivy climbed the old stone walls. A single ancient tree stood in the center. Dappled sunlight filtered through its leaves. It felt sacred, untouched by the city's bustle. Perfect, absolutely perfect. It whispered peace. Our children helped set the scene. Chloe arranged a small bouquet of wildflowers, picked from a local market. Liam had found a beautiful passage to read. Sarah and Ben stood as our witnesses, just as they witnessed our daily lives. Their presence made it real, grounded. This wasn't a grand affair. No elaborate decorations, no crowd of strangers, just us, our family, and the quiet spirit of Paris. It was intimate and incredibly powerful, more than I expected. He took my hands. His were warm, familiar, 30 years of holding these hands, through thick and thin, through joy and sorrow. His eyes met mine, and in them I saw everything. The boy I fell in love with, the man he had become, the journey we had shared. Tears welled up, unbidden, happy tears, mostly, a little bit of poignant tears too. for the time past, for the challenges overcome, for the love that endured. We spoke our vows, not the old ones, but new words, for this new chapter, words about resilience, about gratitude, about choosing each other, again and again, every day. The words hung in the quiet air, simple, sincere. Our children watched, their faces soft with emotion, in that hidden courtyard, surrounded by love, and the timeless beauty of Paris. We reaffirmed our beginning and celebrated our continuation. It was a promise, sealed with a kiss and a few happy tears.